Hello and welcome to the trade setup. In this video we are looking at Coinbase, and we have been mainly tracking the white scenario so far, in which we have a wave 1 up, a wave 2 down, and we are in the third wave to the upside, the large third wave, and more specifically we were or may still be in the fifth wave to the upside. Now in the previous video I provided you this support zone for the very bullish interpretation, where we were tracking an impulsive pattern overall, not a diagonal in this third wave to the upside, and we can even now still track an impulse even with this break of the 50% retracement level. We didn't break much below it, and yeah, technically if we go directly higher from here, I could allow this small break below the 50% retracement, but it wouldn't necessarily be my favorite interpretation anymore. And in fact I would start considering more that we are tracking a diagonal to the upside now, where in the wave 1 we had an ABC, and in the wave 3 we also had an ABC, and we would now be looking at the support zone between $365.5 down to around $266, and we would now rather be tracking, instead of an impulse to the upside in a fifth wave, we would be tracking a diagonal, or rather a three-wave move in A, B, C that should still take us to new all-time highs. So overall the probabilities that we are in the yellow scenario slightly increased. It is more likely. The diagonal patterns are less probable than the impulsive ones, that is for sure, and there is still the risk that we head directly lower into the yellow support zone between $161.5 and down to around $55.5. So I know it may sound quite deep, and we don't have to get to the lowest level, but we can more likely expect now that we are heading into the yellow support zone. Although if I track this movement here as an A, B, C here, and I would have to do it in white, or I changed the degree, not the color, I don't know what was that. So in this case I would be tracking an ABC here in this correction, and we actually reached quite nicely the 100% extension. So in either scenario I may still expect some more upside in this area, although looking here at the very micro structure I would also still expect maybe one or two more lows based on these patterns here, continued by this large third wave. But anyway, these are the levels as you can see, and this is the trade setup. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe and let me know what else you want me to cover, and I'll do my best to do that in the days and weeks ahead. And I will also keep you updated on this chart and the others that I'm covering. I try my best to keep them all up to date, but it's becoming a bit difficult with all the blood in the market that is seen these days. So anyway, I hope you have a nice day, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye bye.